Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rukaini. This time, I will present my article entitled A Marketing Strategy Model for Educational Institution During the COVID-19 Pandemic Based on Social Media. In this digital era, the world has been shaken by the COVID-19 outbreak, which has spread so rapidly that it has had an impact on education. Teaching and learning activities are carried out online. This problem indirectly affects the marketing of educational institutions. Therefore, among the efforts educational institutions must make is to create a marketing strategy that can adapt to a pandemic. The marketing strategy itself is a plan that marketers deliberately make to achieve targets to be achieved in the future. For that, education marketing strategies must be made to offer quality educational service to the public to be interested and lead to purchase. Currently, the era of Industrial Revolution 4.0, technology is the basis of human life, where various social media applications have penetrated everyday life. Almost every day, millions of people worldwide use communication tools such as Facebook, MySpace, LinkedIn, Instagram, Twitter, and so on. It is easier for humans to interact, find news, and exchange ideas through social media. This fact makes it possible to combine the existing phenomena with the marketing needs of educational institutions. The implementation of educational marketing during the COVID-19 pandemic can be done online through digital technology and social media. Social media is a group of internet-based applications that build on the ideological and technological foundation of Web 2.0 and enable the creation and exchange of user-generated content. Based on literature review, the purpose of this paper is to find out the marketing strategy model for educational institutions during the COVID-19 pandemic based on social media. Method. This study used a systematic literature review method approach, which is carried out by identifying, reviewing, evaluating, and interpreting existing research. After careful searching from search databases such as Lens.org, Sinta, DOAG, and Scientific, we found several journal articles using appropriate keywords to find relevant sources, namely educational marketing strategies, marketing in the COVID-19 era, and social media in educational institutions. The material we have collected is sources from literature and recently published work with a timeline between 2015 to 2021. We have selected 25 articles that are relevant to the keywords used. Then we have categorized the articles that are related to the marketing of educational institutions during the COVID-19 pandemic based on social media to find out the strategy model. Thoughts and discussion. Social media online platforms are strategy in marketing education during the COVID-19 pandemic. Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Instagram, and LinkedIn are among the social media platforms often used. Social media serves as a promotional tool, presenting itself by highlighting the brand and achievements of educational institutions, offering and communicating by establishing relationships and marketing closer to customers. Through social media, educational institutions can easily actualize themselves in the limitations of the pandemic. Educational marketing strategies during the COVID-19 pandemic based on social media are interesting things to study. Apart from research coinciding with the COVID-19 pandemic, social media features are also suitable for use as the latest media in the education marketing system. A separate study is on understanding of the social media-based educational marketing strategy model during the COVID-19 pandemic. Through this understanding, the managers of educational institutions in particular and can determine effective and efficient marketing strategies. The marketing process by using social media as a marketing tool in the world of education in the era of the Industrial Revolution 4.0 is the right choice. Moreover, during the pandemic, internet users are the main target of marketing today. The importance of using the internet, digital media, and social networks in educational marketing such as Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and LinkedIn are needed to get started and stay connected with the education market of customers during the pandemic. This is reinforced by the result of research which state that the need for online knowledge talk media increases even more during the COVID-19 pandemic. Social media that is very easily accessible by everyone makes the process of branding, promotion, and marketing profit easier. For this reason, educational institutions are required to be more skilled in the use of social media to maintain a relationship with customers. From human resource to administrators' ability, they must synergize with each other so that the institution's image is increasingly recognized. Planning, organizing, implementing, and evaluating through digital media will help improve the effectiveness of identification, management, research, utilizations, and communications in institutions. Implementation of segmentation, namely grouping consumer markets related to consumer characteristics and needs, positioning, namely positioning educational service among the community, and targeting, namely focusing on the characteristic of institutional service by integrating social media as a marketing tool must be done accurately. The advantage of institutions can be use of market segmentation. Conclusion: search models can be used in education marketing strategies during the COVID-19 pandemic. The result of a literature review of 25 research articles that examine marketing strategies, educational institutions, COVID-19, and the forms and benefits of social media use in marketing projects are modeled, namely the implementation of segmentation, positioning and targeting, managerial marketing strategies, and online packaging of the 7P marketing mix integrated with social media, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Instagram, and LinkedIn. This can be seen from the result of several previous studies which revealed that during the COVID-19 pandemic, digital media and social media could spread the news and be an effective communication tool during the pandemic during the success of educational marketing strategies. Now, acknowledgement. I thank the Muhammadiyah University of Sidoarjo and the lecturers who have guided me in completing this article. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.